Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, November 29th, our word of the day is jibe. J-I-B-E. Jibe. Jibe is a four-letter word and a verb. Remember, verbs are words that show action, occurrence, or state of being. Jibe means to be in accord, agree. To jibe with someone is to agree with them. Jibe can also mean be compatible with or similar to. If two people jibe, they get along quite well. Similar words include conform, correspond, dovetail, harmonize, accord, fit, go, match, resemble, square, tally, fit in. Examples of sentences using jibe are: I expected to find some discrepancies in the books, but your figures jibe with mine. How did your expectations jibe with reality? The images also jibe nicely with the photos of long-haired hipster staffers in the 1960s. The report does not jibe with the facts. What you see in movies doesn't always jibe with reality. Her story just doesn't jibe with what the other witnesses say. Make sure to save this new word, jibe, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.